Guys, there we have a Motorola E13, and today I will show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the four most popular web browsers from the Play Store. So we start from the Adobe Edge. In the Adobe Edge you have to click on the taskbar icon, switch to the In Private and add a tab. And that's it. In the Firefox it's very simple, just click on this mask. Or like before, click on this taskbar icon, switch to the zero mask and add a private. The next one is Opera. In Opera, like before, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Just click on this three-dot icon or arrow icon, switch to the new Incognito tab, and you are in the Incognito mode. And now your cookies files, the cache files from the websites and history will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.